Welcome to this video on integrating HubSpot and Zoom Webinars. We're going to cover a step-by-step strategy for automating lead capture, tracking attendee engagement, and setting up post-webinar nurture workflows. So let's get started. This strategy focuses on two core outcomes. First, an automated lead sync that replaces manual CSV uploads with seamless registration, data capture, and then of course, second, contextual follow-up that triggers workflows based on actual attendee behavior. Our implementation follows a three-phase roadmap: setting up the foundation, tracking engagement during the live webinar, and finally executing automated post-webinar nurture sequences. Phase 1 covers a setup. You will install the integration from the HubSpot app marketplace, schedule your webinar in Zoom with a registration enabled, and build a HubSpot form to collect lead information. For your registration sync, set an enrollment trigger based on your HubSpot form. Use the Add Contact to Zoom Webinar action, map it to your webinar ID, and add an internal alert for your sales team. Phase 2 focuses on tracking. With native webhooks, you get 100% automated passive tracking. HubSpot logs attendance status and duration directly onto the contact's activity timeline, making engagement scoring effortless. The post-webinar sync timeline ensures a smooth transition. Once the session ends, the integration triggers automatically, allowing the system to evaluate attendance and deploy targeted nurture emails. You can brand your follow-ups, send attendees recording links and demo CTAs, or send no-shows a "We Miss You" email with an invitation to register for your next session. For the passive invite strategy, create a baseline list, set criteria to target contacts with an unknown Zoom status, and use thought leadership messaging instead of simple follow-ups to drive future registration. You are now ready to implement. By automating lead capture and engagement tracking, you scale your webinar efforts and improve lead nurturing with HubSpot and Zoom. Need some more help? Let me know. Have a great day. Bye.
This concludes our video guide. Please refer to the provided source links for more detailed technical documentation from the platforms used in this guide.